Hey, Bob here from Jerky. We're on our way to actually bottle up the sauce. We're very excited. It is I, Bob, Jerky Jackaloop, and we got Mike up at the front.
What's going on?
All right. He says, what's going on? He's like the Clint Eastwood of jerky sauce. So Jerky Marinade, coming soon to you. Ooh, sorry for the 3D effect. I apologize. This is it for now. Signing off, and we'll tune back in. See ya.
Here we are in the airport, about ready to take off. Gotta throw a couple drinks down before we do.
Throw the drinks down the hatch.
That's right, so cheers to that.
Pass the card, Mike.
It's yours. It's all
Going to Miami to Jerky.
Jerkalope! He's going to action, Mike! Oh.
Get it! Get it!
Come on! We're at headquarters Jerky. It's the moment of truth. We have George, the master chemist, the formula mater, if there is such a word. George, let's go taste this. What do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Test 2, 200 gallons. The aroma? The aroma's good. Waiting with a bated breath. My. That's what he says. Good.